before I get started, we should say that hit the like button, and now it's actually get started. So today, I am going to be showing you. I'll just take this off because. Oh god. So I'm going to be showing you some fidgets that are cheap and I love. So to get started, we've got two fidgets from right here. Without going to here, some here. Anyway, so the first thing that I love, fast things, there's a lot, you know, there's a lot of stuff that I love, and they're quite cheap. But can I tell you something? Beanie Boos are really cheap and I love them. Especially these types. Because these types are like, they have ASMR. And also so the date of their birth, January 3rd. This one. And this one's name's Hermione. Her birthday is September 5th. And you can get them in all shapes and sizes. I've got this one that goes on a little keychain. I've got this one that's just like that, like a circle. This one's just like a little buggy. This one which is a squeeze-a-mole. This one which is massive. I also saw this one, I think this is Gazelle. Gazelle. On my crown, you'll see a horn. Do you think I'm a unicorn? Birthday May 12th. That's just passed. So the Beanie Boos are really cheap and I love them. So let's move on to the next one. So the next one is this switch ball. It may not be classed as a fidget, but I usually use it as a fidget because look what you can do. You can like twist it out and stuff. That's what I really like about it. Which is really cool in my case. The next thing are Neatos. I couldn't find a normal Neato yet, and I haven't found one yet, but I found shaped Neatos, guys. Shaped Neatos are the best thing ever. They're so cool. Except you can't just squish them with one hand because only that will happen. If you squish them with both hands, oh. And I got this from a pound shop, and it was actually only £2. So I really like it. They're actually really cool. Next ones are Slinkies. Of course, lots of people don't like Slinkies. I do understand that, because I used to hate Slinkies. I don't know why, but I used to hate Slinkies. But I think that's only because you could hardly do that much with them at the time. Because when I was little, about 5, I didn't used to like Slinkies. Because I thought you could only get the jumbo ones, just like this, and roll down the stairs. So then what happens to the normal size ones, or the mini ones? How do you make them do anything? Well, there's a way, my friend, of playing with them. You go like, oh, you go like this. You get this bit, hold this, that, and then you go. It feels so nice in your hand. It looks cool. So that's why I love the Slinkies, and yeah, it's really cool. So, next one, I don't enjoy these as much as other kids do, but these jumbo ones, you can use them as dices, or the mini ones you can use them as dices. I use the large ones and the mini ones as dices. Oh my god. So, yeah, this is actually pretty cool. I really like these, and I got this off a festival, and it was only £1 because I got it off Hook a Duck. I lost the fidgets. Don't found it. Why am I losing fidgets everywhere? I just don't get it. Sorry guys. Well, look, emojis are actually really cool. They're quite small. The only downside to them is they're really sticky. So can you see them right now? Oh, they're all dirty. They're all like really dirty. Stuff sticks to them. So I don't really want to talk about those. So next things are puppets. Some people may think puppets are expensive, but some puppets can be expensive. Because did you know actually the low quality ones actually feel better? Well, the lowest prices ones, which is the lowest quality obviously. Let me just push all these to the good side, and then I'll push it all to the bad side, and then show you how good the cheaper puppet is. So this is from Smith's Toys for £3.99. This one was from Amazon for around £9. I think it was £8.99. This one. So let's try this one's good side. It's really loud. Now let's try this one's good side. Not as loud, but if you look at the quiet side on both of them, look at this one. The only noise you can hear is my finger pushing them down. And the other one, these are actually really cool, but I did get scammed. Next one are snakes. They're really inexpensive. They're really inexpensive. I got this one from the works. Most of you must have seen this one. Well, not most of you, but some of you have seen this video. At least one of you guys. Me and Donut opened some snakes in our fidget house on the works. It's got over 200 views. Mind blown. And I am so happy about that. I'm bowing. But these snakes are actually really inexpensive and they're really cool. I got this one for £2.50. Why am I using this fucking no? But the problem is these things do break easily because there's a little string inside. If you put your eye just like that, you can see the little string. And one wrong move of an argument of a snake, that thing's gonna break. So that's why I always put my snake like this. I get my snake, I put it all straight, and then I get the end, I press the end just like that, and I press the other bit just like that, and then I twist this bit, twist this bit, I twist this bit, oh. Just like that. So the next one is infinity cubes. I love infinity cubes. Some people don't even like them, like this guy. They're just so fun because you can literally just go like this. can go like that to make you some fast. Well, that was really cool. Next one, here. Next one, this isn't a real fidget, but just class it as a fidget it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be a pop tube. It's actually really cool. Because, you know, as you make a pop tube out of a straw, you just cut it. So then the length. I got this one as a Slurpee straw, because my other straws won't work. And I'm about to go and get the next thing right now. By the way, guys, I'm slowly on boat. So, the next things are, what are they called again? Marble meshes. They're actually really cool, but I do want to say, you got to make sure you know how to sew if you're going to get these. Because look what happened to my green one in one day. Marble just popped right out. Oh my god. The tripod almost fell. And then this yellow one, you can see I have had to sew it at the top. Camera, focus. Camera won't focus after it, but this one's fine. Probably because I've never brought this one to school ever. My pink one disappeared. The next fidgets are possums. Squishies. Squishies are really inexpensive and they're really cool. Me and Donut did a fidget haul from the works, and this was on sale for 50 pence. Yep, you heard me right, guys. 50 pence. So that's why I like it so much. But the only downside is how to let it go up. I like these ones. They just do it like that. They are slow eyes, but they're really so good. Got this one. It was supposed to be for a pencil, but it kind of broke. Look, you can see it's kind of breaking. So, I think probably good. The next fidget is monkey noodles. Like, I am so happy about this because monkey noodles are like so fun to play with, especially textured ones are actually more fun than the normal monkey noodles because they have texture on them, so you can go like these. Oh, so the ink. It goes like a little jiggly and it feels so nice to like go like this through your hand. So I like those sounds. So guys, the next fidget is fidget spinners. You may think I'm crazy, but fidget spinners are really inexpensive. You can get them in all sizes. I've got two massive ones and one mini one. I think I've got a few of them, but I'll talk about that. Next ones are tangles. They're like textured tangles. Like so cool. Yeah, they may be a little bit more expensive than you would say, but yeah. I'm going to show you a fidget that is actually really expensive. So if you want to get these, if a friend has them, try them first with a friend because they're really expensive. Like £24, like 500 or something. I'm liking the balls. They're like just like really fun, but I don't know why they're so expensive. They actually stick to everything. and then think, oh, lollipop, that's fake. I'm going to spread it all over stuff. Well, don't get me wrong, this is not fake. Because, see that? When I got it, it was silent. Just like the poppet. But, now that I've kept playing with it, it's gone a little bit louder. Right then. The next thing are bike chains. Bike chains are actually really cool. You've got to stop falling tripod. You've got to learn. Bike chains are really cool. I've got a black one, Donna's got a pink one. I really like bike chains, but the problem about bike chains is that sometimes if you get the really low quality ones, I got this one for £1.17. If you get the really low quality ones, you'll see that if you put them like this, this one can easily just slide on to the other side. And just go like this. I'll just do it real quick. It does happen. Why is it not happening when I want it to happen? But it does happen though. Right, I did it. Sometimes it goes like that. Oh, just down. But it's like really inexpensive. The last fidget. Oh wait, no, the last three. The third to last fidget. So this fidget is a fidget cube. It's really cool. Actually, like so many different fidgets on it. This is like kind of 6 fidgets. That's really cool. So this next one is mashers. They actually may not be fidgets, but I count them as fidgets. So there's all lots of they're really cool. Last thing are what's next. I haven't got one time yet. So yeah. And so the last one are what's next. They're really cool. Squeeze and stuff. Makes it cool. Yeah. Well. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash a like and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!